Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are taking very good care of yourself. Now, before we begin our English class, let us observe silence and invoke peace within. So, close your eyes and connect yourself to God. Okay, children. Are you all ready for your English class? In our previous class, we had done present continuous tense. Today, children, we will do past continuous tense. The action which is done in the past and is being continued for some regular time in the past tense. Let us take few examples. Past continuous tense. Now, children, we are going to study what is past continuous tense. As the title suggests, the action which is done in the past and it is continued for some time. Now let us see. The past continuous tense refers to a continuous action or a state that was happening at some time in the past. The past continuous is formed from the past tense of be with the ing form of the verb. The past continuous is the most often used for actions happening at some time in the past. For example, I was reading my book last night. He was driving when I saw him. Now here, children, I is singular and we are using was to represent past tense. And the main verb is read and we add ing to represent past continuous tense. Similarly, he is singular pronoun. So we use was and in the main verb we add ing to represent past continuous tense. So when the nouns or pronouns are singular in form, we use the subject plus was plus verb adding ing. Yes, children? Now, let us move further. They were working hard in school. Now, here, children, we can see they is a plural pronoun. So, what are we using to represent past tense? Were. When nouns or pronouns are plural in form, we use the subject plus were plus the verb and ing. For example, Ria and Jia were playing in the park yesterday. You were. Now here, children, always remember you is an exception. We always use were with you. Okay, children? Now, we, they are plural pronouns. So, we are going to use were. And when nouns and pronouns are singular, for example, I, she, he, it, we use was. Let us take few more examples. I was studying last night. Now, since we are talking about one single person, I, so we are using I was. They were playing outside yesterday. We are using were and adding an ing with the main verb play as our pronoun is plural. So the sentence will be they were playing outside yesterday. He was working from home last week. He is singular. So we are using was as helping verb and we'll add ing in the main verb work. Jay and Dia were talking in the previous class. Now, Jay and Dia are plural nouns. So, we are adding were as helping verb and in the main verb, we are adding ing. So, have you seen the examples, children? Now, let us see the assignment for the day. You will fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb in the continuous past tense as given in the bracket. There are 5 sentences, children. I will do the first one for you. The children dash and dash in the field yesterday. Now, since children is plural, so which helping verb are we going to use here? Yes, we are going to use were. The children were play plus ing, because we have to add ing to represent past continuous tense. So the sentence will be, the children were playing in the field yesterday. There is no need to copy the first sentence. You can do the next 4 sentences in your grammar notebooks. Do your work very neatly and send it to your class teacher. Thank you.